Hello little scientists! Welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. Have you ever seen diamonds sparkle? Do you want to know the reason? This happens due to a phenomena of light known as total internal reflection or TIR. In this video, let's perform a small activity to understand this. From the Intelli Smart Box, take out the Refraction of Light Activity Kit and Properties of Light Activity Kit. You will need the candle and thumb pin from the Refraction of Light Kit and laser light from the Properties of Light Kit. You will also need a screwdriver, empty clear plastic bottle and matchbox from your home. First, poke a hole near the bottom of the bottle using a thumb pin. Like this. Now, take this bottle to any sink or basin in your home. Here, I will perform this activity with this large container. Fill the bottle with water using the tap. Close the bottle cap tightly after filling the water so that no water spills out from the hole. Water will not spill if the bottle is held from its neck. Now, place the bottle on the edge of the container such that the hole is towards the container. Unscrew the cap. Observe the stream of water flowing out from the hole. Quickly switch on the laser light and point the beam from the opposite side of the hole through the water. Make sure you point the laser light into the center of the hole. What do you observe? The light is visible through the entire stream of the water, falling down into the container. Now, increase the hole size in the bottle. Heat up the screwdriver using the candle. Insert it into the small hole in the bottle. Like this. Repeat and observe the stream of water flowing out from the big hole. Now, quickly switch on the laser light and point the beam from the opposite side of the hole through the water. Make sure you point the laser light into the center of the hole. What difference do you see in the light water stream now? Is the laser light going out of the stream or not? The light is visible through the entire stream of the water falling down into the container. The laser beam hits the edge of the water stream. It reflects inside the stream without emerging out from the water, as it hits an angle greater than the critical angle. As a result, the laser beam undergoes total internal reflection or TIR. As it hits the next edge of the water stream, it is again totally reflected internally. And this process continues down throughout the entire length of the water stream. Due to this continuous total internal reflection within the water stream, we see light bending and falling down along with the water stream. Light rays hitting a medium at an angle greater than the critical angle undergo total internal reflection. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.